Hello my little dear kids. This is the session of English and in which we are going to start writing capital Q and small q as well. As you know that earlier we had completed the introduction of letter Q in our live session. So today we are going to do exercises and learn how to write capital Q and small q as well. Fine. So let's start with page number 8. Okay, here take the capital Q and cross the small q. Okay, we have to identify which is capital Q and which is small q. We have to take on capital Q and cross on small q. So tell me, is this capital Q or small q? It's capital Q, so we will put tick. Now tell me, is this capital Q or small q? This is small q, so we will put cross. Is this capital Q or small q? This is capital Q. For this we will be put tick. Now, is this capital Q or small q? This is small q. We will be put cross. Now, is this capital Q or small q? This is capital Q. So we will be put tick. Now, this is small q. Cross it. Now this is capital Q, so take it. And is this small q, so we will be cross it. What about this? It's capital Q, so we will be take it. Okay students, in this way you have to complete the page number 8. Now come to the page number 9. Okay, here you have to trace the letter Q and color the picture. Do you know which picture is this? This is Q, qua, quail. Okay, with the help of quail, earlier humans start writing with the help of quail. Okay, so first of all, let's start tracing the letter Q, capital Q. For this, as you know, we had completed the letter O. In the same way, the first step is we are going to start making O from red line to third line, that is blue one. Here this line. Okay, our O is done. Now our second step is we have to start making a slanting line, but our slanting line should not be touched this blue line. We will be take from the middle in this way. Okay, this is capital Q. Now letter tracing done. Now we will color it. For this I am going to take blue color. Okay, do it slowly. Which picture is this? This is quail. Which picture is this? Quail. Q, qua, quail. Speak Q, qua, quail. Q, qua, quail. Which color I am doing? I am doing blue color. Which color? Blue color. See, my coloring is done in this picture. In the same way you have to do. I'm going to write the letter Q. Trace and write. So first of all we are going to trace these letter as it is given over here. So do it slowly on these given dots. Which letter we are writing? Capital Q. Which letter is this? Speak capital Q. You have to speak and write, okay? So speak capital Q. Speak capital Q. Which letter I am writing? Capital Q. Speak capital Q. See, capital Q tracing done. Now start writing without dots. And speak few more words that start with letter Q. Q, qua, quilt. Q, qua, quail. Q qua queen. Q qua quiver. Q qua quite. Q qua question mark. Q qua quail. Q qua quinin. Q qua queen. Now in this way you have to write capital Q. Now please turn the page and come to the page number 10. Please mention today's date and classwork as well. Now trace the letter, circle the picture whose name starts with Q. We have to trace this letter and circle the picture that is start with letter Q. So this is small q. For making a small q, we require 3 lines. First, blue line to blue line, we will make right open curve in this way. Okay. After making curve, we have to make a standing line from blue line to red line. Then make one slant line towards upward. So this is the letter small q. Now tell me Q qua lips or Q qua quail? Q qua quail. So we will be circle this bird. This bird name is quail. Now start tracing and write small q. Which letter is this? Small q. It's look like 9. See, firstly right open curve. Make one standing line. This is the letter number 9. Then we will make one slant line towards upward. It's very easy to write. Okay. Firstly write the number 9 and go up a slant line, little bit slant. Okay. Which letter is this? Small q. Which letter is this? Small q. Q qua quite. Q qua queen. Q qua quilt. Q qua quiver. Q qua quill. Q qua quail. Okay students, you have to speak and write. Speak the names that start with letter Q and write it. Okay. So in this way you have to complete the page number 10. Now come to the page number 11. Okay. Here you have to write capital and small q below the pictures whose name start with Q. We have to write capital and small q below those pictures. Those are start with Q. So tell me Q qua queen? Yes. So we will be write capital Q and small q as well. Q qua parrot? No. Q qua quilt? Yes. So we'll be write capital Q and small q. Now Q qua quite? Yes. So capital Q and small q. Q qua horse? No. Q qua quail? Yes. So we'll be write capital Q and small q. Q qua nest? No. Q qua quiver? Yes. Okay students, in this way you have to complete all the pages and submit your work on Google Classroom by 5:30 in PDF form, and workbook and cursive work I'll show you in my next videos. Okay, thank you.